Open a Canva project page and add a heading. Type in your text. Go to Canvas and choose Anton. Go to advanced settings and increase the space between the letters. And let's change a background color to blue. You can absolutely choose any color of your choice. Change your text color to white and go to element and search for open line box. That's how to get this particular kind of box. Change the color to white and duplicate. The reason I'm duplicating is we're trying to group all as one so it become more visible. So group that as one and place the cell on top. Go to text and add a subheading and simply write up to. Change the font to Anton and the color to white. Then place it in between the little opening of the box. I'm simply trying to adjust all my text and the box to fit properly. Add another subheading and type in 70% off. Change the color to white as well and go to advanced settings to reduce the space between your text. Then place this particular text inside the box. I'm trying to increase the spacing a little more, and will simply group all this as one element and move it aside, not too far off so it doesn't go off completely. Add another heading and type in new collection. Go to Canvas and choose leaks pattern. Go to effect and choose hollow, then reduce the thickness of your hollow and simply duplicate these text as many as possible until it can fill in the entire Canva. Now I'm trying to create a cloth sales poster for websites, for social media and things like that. So once you're done, group all these text as one and increase it. Simply trying to adjust it to fit the Canva properly. Go to transparency and reduce the transparency. Go to element and search for shapes. Reduce the size of your shapes and duplicate. So I'm duplicating the shapes because I'm trying to change each color to the shades of the outfit I'm advertising. So position your shapes rightly, trying to arrange the shapes properly. And once you're done arranging them, we're going to be changing each of the colors. Click on the first box and change the color to yellow. Click on the second box and let's search for Oz Blood. Okay, let's search for red instead. Red, choose the shade. Click on the third box and let's choose blue. And the last box, we'll leave that as black. Then group all as one element. Bring in your hollow text and make sure it is positioned in a way that it covers the Canva. And once you're done doing that, just click on layers, click on the cells and you drag it back and go to element and search for mock-up outfit or simply upload your own outfit. Add a heading and type in your text. I'm typing in hoodie. Go to Canvas and choose leaks pattern. Change your text color to white. Go to advanced settings and reduce the space between the text. Increase the size of your text and move it upwards. Go to layers and send it back. And here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, comment, like and share.